I say this all the time. It's not how much you make, it's how much you can keep. So how do you maximize that you pay the least amount to the IRS in taxes and keep that money in your pocket to help you grow your personal life, your investments, or your business? You gotta have strategic tax planning services. So one of the things we do with our clients is we help them maximize their tax strategy. So we wanna make sure that we're not donating money to the government, donating money to Uncle Sam, and finding ways we can maximize that tax deduction so you can either keep it in your pocket, reinvest it, or continue to grow your business. So one of the best tax strategies is investing in income producing properties, getting involved in real estate. One of the biggest deductions is depreciation. So you buy a property, let's say you buy a property for $200,000. You probably didn't buy it cash, right? You probably financed that. Well, guess what? You have the ability now to take that $200,000 and maximize that deduction over, 27 and a half years. If you do a cost segregation study, we can actually go in there and the stuff inside the property, we can depreciate that over 5 to 10 years. So we're actually maximizing that $200,000 deduction in a shorter period of time. So if you were able to write off $200,000 over 4 or 5 years, imagine how much of a lower tax bill you would have or how much of a tax refund you could have. Then with that tax refund, buy the next property and rinse and repeat. So you definitely want to have advanced tax planning strategies. You want to work with a tax strategist like us over here at Apex Advisor Group. There are so many things you can do, like putting your kids on payroll. So you have an existing LLC or a corporation, put your kids on payroll and you can pay them up to $13,900 for tax year 2023, and they don't have to pay any taxes on that income. You will be writing that off as a tax deduction. So if you have 3 or 4 children, you can really see how this could be a very great tax deduction for you. Another thing is you can rent out your home to your business. This is the Augusta rule. So you're allowed to rent out your home to your business for up to 14 days. The income that you make off of that rental is not taxable at all. But the payment that your business makes to you for renting out that home for business meetings is tax deductible. So you could probably rent out your home or your space for $2,000, multiply that by 14 days, that's a $28,000 deduction from your business and $28,000 of income to you personally that you don't have to report as income. So there are so many tax strategies out there. We can get into, having self-funded 401ks, solo IRAs, so many things that we can talk about.